So as you can see, the rubber is damaged, and this is causing the driveline to vibrate. So using a razor blade, what I did, I cut the remaining piece, and now the bracket is separated from the bearing, and the bearing appears to be in good shape. And because the bearing appears to be in good shape, that's the reason I'm going to try an alternative solution versus buying the entire driveline. And this alternative solution that I'm talking about is using this liquid rubber that is just made for sealing stuff, and see how it works. So I'm going to try it and put it to the test to see if it's going to create the rubber in between the bearing and this hanger for this driveline. We'll see how that works. I'm going to clean the surfaces with brake cleaner, the bearing and the bracket, and I'm actually not going to remove these imperfections right here. And the reason is, these imperfections should allow this rubber material to stick to it. Same thing on the hanger bracket. So that's why I'm going to leave all this stuff. So here's what I got. I have the driveline upright like that, and slightly angled right here. So this is straight, and so I taped it underneath like that. That way the liquid rubber won't go through. Right there. Got the correct space inside, and I'm gonna pour the rubber, and we'll see what it looks like and what type of consistency it has once it dries up. So after the driveline set for 2 days, the side that was exposed to air dried up, but when I was taking the tape off from the other side, it is completely wet. So now I'm going to let it set for a day or two so it dries up. What that means is that if you decide to do this on your driveline, you're going to have to do something similar. So here's how it looks like once it's all dry. And then what I had to do, I ended up having to use a pick to scrape some of the rubber that went into this cavity right here so the bearing can move freely. So it was a little bit of work to do that, but aside from that, looks like it turned out good and it spins the way it's supposed to. So now I'm going to install it and see how it works.